Nasud sa banga.
So, sa mga ano? Up to when? Up to what level?
Discongeniality only. But it's okay because I want that everyone's heart.
Yes, you did. Actually. Yung pagsulti ba mo pag ano ang botox kay mo pa ni Momo. Ni Momo na taron.
Pero, nasa bago.
Okay ra na. Basta ni ano naman siya, okay na siya, di ba?
Nigana na siya. Yan kasi wala nigana.
Umayo ta kani siya, makatabang sa ni siya ni mo. It gives our judges a chance to get to know you a little bit better. So here's your question. If given the chance to speak to great leaders in the world about war, what would you tell them and why?
I would like to humbly ask the organization that is it okay that if you can provide an extra mic for my interpreter?
Yes, sure.
She has an interpreter.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you so much. Okay, your question is, if given a chance, and if given the chance to speak to great leaders in the world about war, what would you tell them and why?
Given the chance. Basically, I would speak to our great leaders to have a full responsibility of their work.
Ang sinasabi po niya ay may chance naman po siyang mag-usap yung mga leaders nila. Gusto niya pagsabihan ng magbigay ng responsibilidad sa mga tao.
Because our country, the Philippines right now, is having a difficult time, especially with all the political controversies.
Kasi yung country natin ay ang dami na pong problema. Dapat nagtanan na.
And of course, one thing in particular, we have to speak from the heart. And that message will resonate to them.
At ang pinakamahalaga ay yung ang pagsaservisyo ay galing sa puso. At yun lamang po. In other words, let's stop the war. We're dying, guys. Totoo naman eh. Bakit pa natin, why do we need to settle for war? We only live once. We're dying. So instead, why how about let's just give love to everyone? For I believe that we only live once and let's live our life to the fullest. Okay? Okay.
We now open the floor for judging.